Hey guys, it's Ava, Raquel, and Olivia. And today we'll be baking a cake. And the flavor is lemon. And what gave us the idea to bake the cake was our elves. And look what they did. And they left us this lemon cake. And it already looks delicious. So let's get baking. We're gonna need a bowl. Then we're gonna need to pour this into here. But first rule is turn the oven on. Yes, let me turn that on. Okay, while that is heating up, first we're gonna grab this and open it. Okay. Oh. Sorry, looks so good. And then the next rule is don't throw the box away because it has the ingredients we need to make the cake. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Now the other rule is we're gonna get this big scooper and put some water in it, fill it all the way to the top, and then Olivia is gonna pour it in here. Olivia, don't drop it. Because I'm an elf. Elf don't drop it. Okay, pour it. Taking your time. Woohoo! Okay, now Rachel's gonna pour the vegetable. I think you have to pour it to the top because. Boom! And this looks like Dad's car when it uses the restroom in the garage. It looks like it's going pee. Okay, we are baking here. Now go pour it. Now, before we gathered all the eggs, I was so scared because I thought we didn't have any eggs. Okay, so next, I don't know if Olivia can do it. I don't want her to. How will you do the eggs? Okay, and then I'll get my fork. Yeah, first the fork, and then I will. And my face. That's for the end. That's for the end. There's one egg. Whoa. 3, 2, 1. Oh. It's hatching an egg. It's hatching a baby bird. That's funny. Actually, it's actually hatching a baby egg. Now next, we already heated that up. We put the oil in there, and we already put the water. And we already put the eggs. So we can mix it. Mix it. Make sure you get all the edges of it. But you want to kind of get like this edge, so like you're gonna want. Wait, can you do it for a minute to show you? So you're gonna want to like go on the edge and like scrape it off. You know? Okay. Like all like this, so we can use more lemon. Yeah. And like mix it. So like that. And while I'm doing that, I just want to go and check if. Looks like it's. Can I mix the energy? Oh, it's at 252. Almost there. Now it's perfect. Oh, Olivia, do you want to mix it now? Yeah. Maybe I can take turns. Okay. So next, Olivia. Thanks for some milk. Okay, so you want no, this fork, and then at the end you can do that. So what you want to do is you want to scrape all. Oh, it smells so like lemon pie, like so like lemon pie. Here, let Ava mix it now, okay? I'm done. Oh, I think she's already done. Just mix it.
Make sure there's no lumps and you get all the way at the bottom. You guys are doing so good.
And it takes like all the way vanilla. It's like smells like, and it looks like it's already ready to eat. And it smells like it's too. We're back. Are you protecting the lemon pie? Yeah. I mean the lemon cake? Yeah, because I want any they put all outside. I want waffles to eat the pie. Maybe we should. I'm not afraid to, and I'm not afraid to smack the waffles with this. Mommy, maybe we should try to use this one now, or maybe it's good. It looks really, really yellow, and there's like nothing.
I think it's perfect.
There's no salt on it.
Yeah, it looks really good. So now, the last thing I did not explain to you, you're gonna try to spray the pans.
With this?
And then you're gonna have to pour. You have to try to make it even. Pour half into each one of those. You're gonna pour half in that one and half in that one.
So then they just like spray it.
Yep, spray it.
And then spray it from that one.
And then you
So a little bit in here and a little bit in there. That looks like Z.
I'd spray a little more around the edges.
So after we put this one, then we'll start putting some of this into there and then let this one like sit for a little bit. And then put it. There we go. Should be more than enough, right? Maybe it's at the edge, right? Oh! There we go. I think I put a lot, but that's fine. Okay, so we can do that one. And it's normal to have that. I think we need a spoon, right? Wait, we need a spoon. Oh, actually we need that. Olivia's thing. Sorry. Okay, so I think we put this back in the sink. Yeah. Now can we taste a little bit? See how it tastes?
After you pour it, you can have a little.
Yay! And this goes back over here because I don't think we're gonna touch it. And then cooking spray and this goes up here. Here goes nothing.
It looks like about half.
Okay, can you take it off the sides? Like scoop it like that. Oh, yeah. I can't see. Oh, I think the oven's ready. That seems about half.
Just leave it over there. Don't mess with it. And then put the other one and make sure it's kind of half.
So now we're gonna put it in the oven. I'm sorry, you're so good.
Oh, it's hot. Can you do
I stopped licking it. Wear gloves. You sure? Hey, don't burn yourself. Put it on top. Mommy, do you think it's gonna taste good? I think it's gonna taste really good.
I think so too. You guys
I
made it with a lot.
think it's gonna taste ugly. We made Olivia with all love. Well, you made Olivia, but we're gonna eat it. Okay? That should be good.
Now don't forget to set your timer. What does your box tell you? They're 2 8-inch pans.
2 8 rounds. It says 28 to 33.
Is that a 28-minute timer?
Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Set a 28-minute timer.
All right, 28 minutes. And we're starting now. Speaking of timers, to make sure you're scrubbing up thoroughly, just say, sing while I wash my hands.
He's
Alright.
like, go wash
What's
my
the
hands.
favorite part right now is
Put it in the oven. Yeah.
cleaning up your mess.
Oh, actually, we don't even have a mess.
I know, you guys are good.
Okay.
All right, good job, girls, and we'll keep you posted on how the cake comes out, right?
Olivia, and Ava, and Reggie. See you guys in 28 minutes. Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, you have 2 minutes in your timer left.
They're rising 2 minutes. Yeah.
Well, you guys did a good job. Now, go ahead and grab yourself a little fork or a toothpick. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty.
What are we doing?
You're gonna stab it right in the middle,
Like right
the
there.
fattest part. Yep. And see what happens. And up. They're ready, because nothing got stuck to it.
Oh, it's ready.
You guys
There's
did
some
such a
in the
good-
straw.
You guys did such a good job. Are you excited? Don't touch it, Olivia. It's
Good
hot.
job, guys. So can I see it?
Good job, ladies.
That's black though. Is that okay?
It's okay.
Good job. What's up, guys? We're back, and we are going to be putting some frosting on our cake. So let's get started. But first, we have to warm this up. Let's put it in the microwave for about like 10 seconds.
Oh, can you watch one baby Jesus?
Oh yeah. I think
One
it's,
baby Jesus, mommy?
I put it for 20 seconds, but I like did 10, then I stopped it.
Nice. I'm gonna keep the knife forever. I'm just kidding.
Okay, so everybody got the knife? Good. Now, you don't have to spill it.
I have a baby knife.
Oh yeah, this is so. Oh, it's so spicy. Put some carefully on here.
Okay, I'm done. Okay.
Hold on. Wait, Olivia. Can I do some? Oh. So, you got enough?
I can't believe I'm using a knife right now. So far, a knife right now.
Oh, it looks like I'm so excited. Okay, can I do some? Oh, yeah, sure.
Can I do some too?
Yeah. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, here? No, on this one.
Okay, wait, okay.
I don't want you to drop it. There you go. I'll just like pat it and put it all around here. Okay, now maybe we should. Okay. No, that's gonna be good. No, Olivia. Okay, now let's put our knives on the edge. You can do it, Olivia.
Olivia, I was trying to
Okay,
put it back.
now next we put these. Oh, so we have to be so careful because we do not want this thing to break.
Woo! I close my eyes.
Okay. Don't open it, guys. We open it. Okay, now let's put frosting all over, just like on the side. Ready?
Sorry,
Get your
guys.
Get your position. Actually, wait. Let's have a spoon and do that. Oh, yeah. Actually, okay. Now is very.
We have to be very careful not to stab into it.
Yes, because then it will mess up the whole thing, and you will see inside of it. We made for Thanksgiving.
Probably kind of is.
Okay, how about we do like a pattern? Put it that way, okay? So not down. No,
Okay,
that way.
Mama, can I watch one episode of Baby Jesus?
No, it's bedtime.
Please, Mom, please.
She's just licking it.
Please.
Please.
The boy said,
No,
"Hi,
that
girls," and Ollie said, "Good night." What's up, girlfriend? Put your hair in the ponytail.
What the heck?
That's not your thing.
Get that. Oh, this is just so good. This is like smelling up the house.
Good night.
Now we are starting
Just
and
go help them, babe. Go help them out.
All right.
I don't know. I'm trying to like.
Alright, what the hell's going on here? Oh my goodness, dude. Alright.
Oh.
I'm gonna show you guys how to do it.
Can I just putting it?
I'm gonna show all you guys how to do it.
Break it.
Look at how easy it is. Look at that. Look at.
Oh, my beautiful cake.
Look, it's I'm a professional.
You're not.
First time doing it.
First time doing it.
You're breaking the whole thing. That was worse.
What do you mean breaking the whole cake?
It's ripping. It's ripping. Thanks. It's just ripping. Thanks to you, Daddy.
It's ripping. What are you talking about? Ripping.
Here, look at it. Look at that.
That's why we have this to cover it.
To cover it.
Look how easy peasy was that. That was it.
Easy cheesy. Dude, easy cheesy. Easy cheesy. Oh, you say that most time. Easy cheesy.
Japanesey.
Japanese. So as you see, he is trying to fix the cake, but
Fix
he
your
is
mess.
actually breaking the cake. Yeah. So
No, I'm not.
Yes,
No,
you
well,
are.
I'm the best
It's like
at everything I do. I'm the best at everything I do.
You're a great dad, but you break everything. And you're a lot rough.
Well, I have to be rough because there's a lot of women in this house.
And there's
Have to
one
be
on the
rough.
way. How about Daddy does see? Okay.
All right, I think this is the best we're gonna get, right?
The best.
This is-
How
thank
about
you.
Daddy?
Thank you. I know I came and saved the day because you guys were making a mess, and I know I would have
Thank
been here
you
in
guys
the morning.
for watching.
No, we would have been here. We would have been here in the morning, and then I would have came down to go to work, and you guys would have still been here doing that. So I came and saved the day. What?
Daddy, you could do the little A because you're the king.
Yes, I am.
King for the cake.
King of the K, yes. All right, so are we done or no?
Dessert.
We-
Because the way looking. I think the elves deserve cake.
No, I'm gonna have to get
I think you
tomorrow.
guys have to cut into it and actually taste the little tiny.
All right, let's go. Give me a knife.
Okay, here's a knife.
I'll get a knife.
Look at all my fingers. This is like messy. Look at mine. So
Be
messy.
careful, I have a knife. We'll just cut like a little corner,
Yes, like a little one.
a little triangle. Ready? I know you guys work so hard on this, huh?
I'm hard working. Beautiful cake. Like this cake is like so beautiful, and then you have to destroy it and eat it.
Okay, so we're gonna all try this piece right here.
This whole piece. We'll share that little piece.
Looks good, guys. You guys did a good job.
What plate are we gonna use?
Use the same plate. We just need a fork.
Me.
All right, who's trying it first?
Me.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Both of you.
No, me. For me.
No. I said her and her. Okay, first shot. There's no best 2 out of 3 and all that crap.
This one.
Yeah, just first time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No.
Want a big piece, Rach?
And Dad was not here.
I'll play you right now for the second bite.
And Dad was not here. Then he
Ready,
did
Rach,
not
for this big
see
piece?
us.
1, 2, 3. All right, me, your turn. Me, and you.
We made a
Ready?
better cake. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Who's, do you guys hear that person say me? I don't know where that came from.
Olivia.
Are you gonna do mom from there?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What?
You still don't get a piece. Since I'm in mom's team, I'll take another bite. Don't worry, babe. I'll take another bite for you and the baby. All right. Since I'm a champion, I'll do you. Ready?
Olivia, come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gotcha.
No, same thing. Ready, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Same thing.
Rock, paper, scissors.
You can't see what happened. Cheater, dude. Cheater over here.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, you gotta do it. Ready, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got you.
All right, you get a piece. But since you already licked the knife and the cake and I don't know what, here.
I think I. Give her the
That was a good cake, guys. Good job.
It's too
Proud of you
lemon-
guys. Thank you.
It's too lemony though, a little bit.
A little lemony, right?
Yep.
All right, so we're done
It's
with
called lemon
today's
cake.
video. Stay tuned and check out more videos.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. I'm sorry. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What'd you say? Don't forget to what?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. You're gonna get confused over there, dude. Say goodnight, guys.